reviews best motorcycles for beginners. Honda Rebel 300. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of motorcycles, specifically for those who are just starting out. We have a real gem to showcase, the Honda Rebel 300. This versatile and beginner-friendly cruiser has been making waves in the motorcycle community, and we're here to break down why. Background and description. The Honda Rebel 300 is a lightweight and agile cruiser designed for urban commuting and weekend riding. It's powered by a 300 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that delivers a smooth and torquey performance, perfect for new riders. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of the Rebel 300 is its affordability. As a smaller displacement motorcycle, it's a more budget-friendly option compared to larger bikes, making it a great choice for new riders or those on a tight budget. In terms of performance, the Rebel 300 offers a good balance of power and handling. Its 300 cubic centimeters engine provides ample power for city riding and highway cruising, while its lightweight design and agile handling make it easy to maneuver through traffic and tight corners. Design and aesthetics. The Rebel 300 has a classic bobber-inspired design that is both stylish and timeless. Its minimalist styling and exposed components give it a raw and unadorned appeal. Target audience and relevance. The Rebel 300 is ideal for riders who are looking for a stylish and affordable cruiser motorcycle. Its compact size and lightweight design make it perfect for navigating city traffic and winding roads. The bike's fuel efficiency also makes it a practical choice for daily commuting. Conclusion. The Honda Rebel 300 is a well-rounded motorcycle that offers a great combination of style, performance, and affordability. Its classic design, comfortable ride, and easy handling make it a perfect choice for new riders. So, if you're looking for a reliable and affordable starter motorcycle, the Rebel 300 is definitely worth considering.